Well, it's important to be prepared as all eyes are on Wednesday and Thursday. And Kate, as we've mentioned, it's been quite some time since we've seen significant snowfall.
It feels like a really long time, Yuki. In fact, all of last winter, we only got 0.3 inches of snow. It's been over 650 days since we've seen even an inch of snow in Philadelphia. So it's almost like we've forgotten what a major snowstorm is like. Well, this week we're going to refresh our memories. Today did not count as a major snowstorm, but you can see some snow on the grass here in Bethlehem. They got about an inch earlier today. Nothing going on right now. Some lake effect bands up across New York State. The rest of us are dry for now. You can't see Wednesday's impending storm on the radar yet. It has not formed yet. Two pieces of energy will be meeting along the coast. You need several ingredients for a major nor'easter. You really need two areas of low pressure to phase along the coast in basically a designated area, which we like to call the benchmark. If we see that phasing happen in that spot, it indicates a powerful nor'easter for us. We also need a fresh Arctic injection of air. That's what we're feeling tonight. 26 degrees outside tonight, and tomorrow's high is only in the 30s. And of course, you need plenty of moisture, which we have courtesy of the Atlantic Ocean. So all these ingredients coming together. Tomorrow is the calm before the storm, but then things begin to change. By tomorrow afternoon, a few clouds will start to drift in. Wednesday is dry. I know kids are going to be looking out the window waiting for those first flakes to fly. It probably won't happen until late afternoon or early evening. A few flakes here around 2 p.m., but it's not until around 5 or 6 that the snow really gets going. And of course, what we'll really be watching with this storm, it's not cut and dry. It's not cold enough that this is pure snow. There is a rain snow line, and the position of that is going to determine how much snow you get depending on where you live. This is the European model we're looking at right here. It's been really consistent during this storm. So we're looking at a rain snow line as of about 6 p.m. right over the North New Jersey suburbs, trying to creep up toward Philadelphia by 10:45 p.m. But the European model wraps cold air in pretty quickly, and you can see overnight Wednesday into Thursday, we start to see that rain snow line sink southward with actually some snow possible even at the shore at the back edge of that storm. There are a few models, though, that try to lift that rain snow line a bit further north, and that is going to be the wild card with this system. So these are preliminary amounts, and we've kept the ranges kind of wide because if you get any rain or get any snow, or get any sleet, I should say, that's going to hold your totals down. So 6 to 12 inches in Philadelphia and the nearby north and west suburbs. If we get rain or sleet, it's closer to 6. If it stays snow, it's closer to 12. 12 to 18 in the north and west suburbs. Some spots could even get more than 18 if we get heavy banding. As you head down toward the shore, we're looking at little or no snow, a coating to an inch at most. Now, here's some model snowfall just for Philadelphia, and you can see the spread. The GFS and the Euro keep it cold, mostly snow, 10+ inches, but the RPM model brings the warmer air in, holding the snowfall totals down to about 4 inches. So it is going to be tight. We're watching the rain snow line. We're watching the potential for sleet, warm air off the Atlantic Ocean, but any banding, when you get snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches in an hour, that can cause it to pile up very quickly. Regardless of how much snow falls, or if you just get rain, if you're down the shore, look at these winds gusting as high as 50+ miles an hour at the coast late Wednesday night into Thursday, leading to the risk for power outages. So heavy wet snow late Wednesday into Thursday, rain at the coast, and then a blast of bitterly cold air Friday into Saturday means we will see some icy spots. The snow's not going anywhere anytime soon. Yuki, will send it back over to you.
Here it comes. Okay, Kate, thank you.